Good morning, friends, and happy Sunday. We were at our neighbor's house all day yesterday. We got home about 10:30. We liked 1 hour from being at their house for 12 hours. All day long. Football games after football games. We had food, we played games, card games. It was so nice. And we discussed the progressive dinner that got canceled while we were there. We just all decided that we're gonna just all go to dinner. So that's what we're gonna do. We just kind of canceled the progressive dinner. There was only gonna be 6 of us anyway for the progressive dinner. We weren't even doing a meal. We were just doing like a soup and a salad and appetizers and dessert. So we were totally skipping out on the whole thing this year. And there was only 6 of us participating. So we all decided that we're all just gonna go out to dinner. So we made plans to go to dinner on the 9th at like a Brazilian steakhouse. And so now there's 10 of us going. So it's like everybody can participate, which is great. And then I'm still doing my girls' Christmas thing here. Did I talk to you guys about that yet? I don't know. But yeah, I'm doing a girls' Christmas thing here at my house, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. And anyway, we had a good time yesterday. It was fun. But like I said, we came home about 10:30. We got in bed, watched a little bit of a movie, and then crashed. And Brian and I woke up this morning, made some breakfast, and now it is time to get started with stuff that I have to do today. Today is Sunday. Today is the day that I usually strip the bed and take the sheets off. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I want to finish putting some more of my Christmas stuff up. We have to take off the stuff off the front porch and then put up our wreaths on the front of our house. So that is the plan for today. And I thought that I would take you guys along with me because I haven't vlogged in a couple of days and I thought that I should. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get started with the day. Yeah, there was only 2, one down there and one in the center for your dad to tie them all on. Working on the front porch. Oh, I hear sirens. Are you just gonna throw those in the back? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And like the gourds can go too. I can just put the rest of these inside this bucket. Yeah, I wish these were, you could keep them, but you can't. So I'll just leave this sit here and then he can come back and get it. That's how we do it around here. He can come get it, right? Okay, so that has been snipped. And now I need to like get my wreath excuse me, wreath out. You know, I never painted this door, which is a pathetic little thing that I have never done yet this year. Haven't painted the door, haven't painted the bathroom, my bathroom. So I ordered these galvanized buckets on Amazon. I will leave a link to them in the description box below, but I'm hoping that I can use these for these trees out here. So I'm thinking that it's possible that I can. I'm not exactly sure, but they all have these little stickers on the front which need to come off. So I'll be ripping those off, and then I'm going to be placing them inside of this tree, which I'm hoping that the tree fits inside of them. That's what I meant to say. I don't know how I'm gonna get those in there to stay because I think they're gonna fall over. Oh, maybe not. What? Don't you dare. I mean, I'd have to edit anyway, but just like still. We can probably toss this because obviously this is not going. Quit being a jerk.
Yes, please get rid of that. It's caught up in the border.
Okay. It's hideous. Look away. So, yeah. So now I gotta figure out how to hold this in there. So I think I'm gonna get foam. Yeah. So obviously you guys can tell that that didn't work out too well, but I will have to run to Hobby Lobby tomorrow and get some foam to stick in there. And if I can stick it in the foam and just kind of pack it around, then those will fit in there perfectly. So like in the ones that it came, like the ones that it came with are these little, they were black, I spray painted them white obviously, but they have like a little thing inside of there to hold the tree in, and obviously that tin bucket does not. So I'm gonna have to get some foam to fit it in there so it'll stay. So that'll work. I'll have to do that. I'm just saying I have to get some foam to stick in there and hold the tree down. Brian's making lewd gestures. So are you done? Or
Yes, that's all you got.
you didn't hang up the wreaths.
What wreath?
The wreaths that go on the front windows.
It's not ready yet.
It's not ready yet? Oh. Well, it is ready. It's time to do all that.
The weather just isn't there.
Oh, the weather isn't there yet.
You need to give them a fluffing.
Oh, well, I usually do fluff those.
Saying.
Uh-oh. Business is picking up. Oh, my phone's blowing up too. So you guys, we have seriously done nothing since I put those trees in those little buckets earlier today. We started watching some shows on Netflix, and we just finished watching those shows on Netflix. Made a baked potato and just laid on a couch. It's just kind of been one of those days. Well, Brian finally just went upstairs to get the wreaths to put on the front windows, so that's probably what we're gonna do right now. And then after that, I'm gonna end the vlog and edit this and have it put up for tomorrow morning. So yay for a fun, relaxing Sunday. I think my neighbors did all theirs. Yeah, they did. They put their lights and stuff up on their trees outside, so it's gonna look really pretty. And I don't know if you guys can see my tree or not. Can you see my tree in there? My Christmas tree right there. It's so quiet in the hood. Ah, there he is. So they were in there. I saw the people down the street decorated too. They, yeah, little minions out.
Oh, they got minions? Oh.
Yeah. You can't, they're like deflated right now, but.
Well, then how do you know they're minions?
Because I saw it last night when I drove home.
So they had them last night?
Yeah.
Go grab a wreath.
Are they down?
Oh, they're down.
They're down. I don't have shoes on though. Well, I'm not gonna step in that. I want to change the bows on these because these look really bad. But I'm eventually going to change the bows because they just are faded and look really bad. But I say that every year and I don't do it. I guess I need to do it this year. I don't know yet. I'll do this. I'll do it like this, babe. I'll put them in front and then you can go hang them up. Okay? Sound good? See? Teamwork. That's how we work together. Because I just have like my little Mickey slippers on right now. And yeah, so we have them on this like pole. And I'm actually going to just take the pole with me. If it doesn't like all fall apart, but they all probably, oh, for crying out loud. This is not working the way that I want it to. And there you have it. There's the pole. Christmas wreaths. Now you can I'll just put them in front of the wreaths, or in front, and you can just hang them up. I got them all right here. Yeah. So, but yeah, these are just gonna have to stay here because I'm not going on the grass because it's wet. So there they all are.
Do they need floating?
They're fine for now. I'm not worried about it. I do want to kind of change the bows, so maybe I'll find some inexpensive bows to put on them.
Well, I've already repainted these.
Since these ones are faded. Oh, you did? I remember you spray painting them last year.
They're all good.
That was funny. Good job, babe.
Yeah.
Need to do some repairs. Painting and repairs.
See, it's fluff.
Just pull some stuff out here, be fine.
I thought to sprinkle.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Is it supposed to rain?
Mm-hmm. They're decorating the backyard.
Oh, are they? Aw. How cute. Very nice. Good job, babe.
You didn't put them where they're supposed to go.
Well, I'm not walking on the grass because I have my slippers on. These, and they'll get wet and yuck.
There's no wet. There's no yuck.
Yeah, it's kind of wet, damp, if you will. Damp, if you will. Well, that ribbon's kind of wonky.
They're just getting put up now. They need fluff.
Okay,
Don't we all?
Brian. Somebody's yelling. I also put some chicken in the crock pot because I'm gonna make tacos a little bit later. It's like 4 o'clock right now. So I'm just gonna make tacos later, and then I left out a piece of chicken for Brian because that's what he wanted, was just a piece of chicken. He didn't want it like shredded for tacos. But with that being said, I am going to end the vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today. Very little that we did. And I will see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. I've gotta go to the grocery store and get a few things. And yeah, and then I'm gonna come back here and start taking care of this mess, which means I'm gonna be trying to get my tablescape put together and all my other Christmas stuff put up in a way that way it's all done and finished, because guess what's coming December 1st? The home tour, the home tour. I know you guys are super excited about that. I know I am, because then that means everything is done and complete. So yes, we're looking forward to that. So I will see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Have a great evening. Bye.